Jai Gurudev, Manishi ma'am. So dear, yesterday I explained about your content, and after that I also gave you introduction of your first chapter, our extended family. So today I will explain this lesson. So in first page I have sent you image of your lesson. So in your first page, a boy Subhas, he is talking with his mother, and he was also asking with his mother what was her childhood, means his mother childhood. About his mother childhood he was asking to his mom. So one day Subhas asked his mother about the relatives whom she lived with when she was young, means when her mother was a young kid like Subhas. So he was asking that how she was spending time with all his relatives who were living with his mother. So Subhas' mother lived in a big house. Now Subhas' mother was replying her that she was living in a big house with her parents, grandparents, two brothers and two sisters, uncle, auntie and cousins. Their life was simple, and they didn't have a television or a computer. She used to play many games like hide and seek, kho-kho, hopscotch and seven tires with her brothers, sisters and cousins. It was a great fun to enjoy playing and living together. It means his mother saying that when she was a child, she was living with all the family members, means her uncle, aunt, all the cousins, grandparents, they were living with each other, and she was also playing lots of outdoor games and indoor games with them, with their cousin, with her cousin. And now she was telling that time life was too simple, because that time no TV was there, no mobile phone there, and not any computer was present that time. So she was saying that she was playing many different type of games with her cousin. In first chapter, different type of games, picture of different types of games is present here. In next point, now after that in next page you will read about the Subhas' two uncles. One uncle is living in Chandigarh with Subhas' grandparents, and both uncles are his father's younger brother, means Subhas' father is elder than other two brothers. Subhas and his parents are leaving for Chandigarh today to see his newly born cousin. So today Subhas is going to Chandigarh in his uncle's house with his parents, because there was a newly born child, means that child was Subhas' cousin. His aunt has given birth to a baby girl, means she is a daughter. Every member of the family is overjoyed to have a new baby at home, means when any new member will come to our family, we give proper love and care to that member. Subhas now has a cousin too. His uncle's daughter is Subhas' cousin. Now second, this was Subhas' uncle's house, and now Bhushan's marriage, picture of the Bhushan's marriage. Bhushan's marriage, who was Subhas' uncle. Bhushan is also Subhas' uncle. Subhas' uncle, who was living also in Chandigarh with Subhas' grandparents. He was younger brother of Subhas' father. And now second one is Bhushan. He is also younger brother of Subhas' father. So now Subhas is invited. Subhas is in a marriage party, and this marriage party of is Subhas, his uncle's marriage party. The marriage was in Delhi, and this was held in Delhi. Many relatives came to attend the wedding from different places. Everyone wore new dresses and ate delicious food. They welcomed a new member to their family. Means everyone was now enjoying a lot, and everyone wore new dresses, and every member of the family was so much happy. both his uncle who was living in Chandigarh and second uncle Bhushan, whose marriage is going on. So both his uncles, their wives and his grandparents now living in a big house because they are combined now, since it was a big family, because every member, Subhash two uncles with their two wives with their kids, they are living in a big family. Now it was a big family and can be said as Subhash extended family, because Subhash is living another places and his uncles are now living in a big family, so they are not living with Subhash. So this family is Subhash extended family, because Subhash is not living with them, but also they are part of Subhash family. So they are living separately in another place, and Subhash is also living separately with his parents in another place. So this family is Subhash extended family. We usually meet our relatives on special occasions such as wedding and festival. It is fun to meet new members of our extended family. Means when we meet to our relatives on special occasions, special occasions like weddings and festivals, and when we meet to our extended family and every member of our family, we enjoy a lot with our extended family. We love all the members of our family and care for them wherever they are living, but we have care for them and respect and love for them. And family get together bring us close to our extended family when is there any function is organizing in your home. So all the family members who are living anywhere in any part of our country, they are connected with each other. They now living in a same house and they enjoyed with each other, so they now come close to each other. Next one is we not living with our extended family, but we love and care our extended family, cooperates them, share our feeling and joy with them, our sadness with them. So our extended family is also connected with us. So this lesson has finished. So tomorrow I will give you some related answer of this lesson, and whatever important information in this lesson I will also send in your image. Okay, so your first chapter of EVS book that has finished now. So be safe now. Jai Gurudev.